Perfect for small aquariums holding piping, binding moss and objects or positioning small plants. The zip ties fit perfectly into the suction cups. Sucker diameter after adsorption, 1.1 inches. The length of cable ties, 6 inches. Soft clear plastic sucker is easy to install and uninstall on fish tank, aquarium and any other glass surface, but will turn milky white after a while of use in water. Make sure to keep both suction cups and glass surface clean. Replace the old and worn-down suction cups timely. What you get: 10 pieces suction cups and 20 pieces cable ties. Top reviews from the United States. Outstanding performance, zip ties keep things where they need to be. Nice clear suction cups, surprisingly easy to thread the zip ties through. Suction cups hold tight and stay put, zip ties keep plants, pipes and decorations in place. I used these to keep an under-gravel filter system in place. They worked perfectly.